Hi, Driven. Hi, Nai.
Can you guys hear us?
Yes, sounds good.
Great.
Okay, so we should wait for maybe 2 minutes to 3 minutes, or maybe 4 minutes. What for
Never
others?
starts.
Yeah, people are fighting the links. We hope so.
Hello, my paper is Furucombo. Hi,
Hi, how
Catherine.
are you?
Hi, hi, hi.
Hello, Alvin. Okay, let's wait for 4 minutes. Then we start. How do I pronounce your name? Nai. Nai.
Might be. I don't have much friends at my home.
Maybe it's a very big family.
Yeah.
It's a maybe somewhere dinner time. Everyone's busy cooking. Okay, let's start.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome everyone. We have 8 people right now in our welcome everyone to Furucombo's first community call. This is our first experience, like directly talking to our community members. We are all very excited about this opportunity that everyone can come together and then talk about the same platform, same product. So today we're going to spend about 30 to 40 minutes, and we separate into three different parts. No, four different parts. The first part will be introduction. So I think everyone who participate in this call, maybe you can introduce yourself. We will do that as well. And next part, we're going to give everyone a brief about what's done in the past, maybe 2 weeks or a month in advance. What Furucombo has done. And the third part will be we talk about what will be released in the coming weeks through Combo. And the last part is the part that I'm the most excited about is ask us anything. So if you guys have any question, feel free to ask us at the part, or you can just type in the chat room. We will read it and then reply to you. If the question is too hard, don't worry, we can still like get back to you later in our Discord channel or maybe through email, no matter how they work. Okay, so let's start our first community call and the introduction part. So my name is Xuanting, and I'm the CEO of the company Furucombo. Uh, yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, that's all.
So what's your job?
I'm I pay my employee.
Okay, that's a really big job. Very important. I'm Blake. I'm the Chief Operating Officer, and I'm mainly focused on the market analysis. And I'm really glad to join the community call. And it's our first time. Actually, I'm quite nervous. I just finished a glass of wine. You see. Happy Halloween.
A very chill community call.
Yeah.
That's what we want. Everyone just relax. It's a chat room. And maybe Jing, your turn.
Okay. Hi guys. My name's Shane, and I am the project manager at Furucombo in Dingo. Nice to meet you online.
Jay, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi. Right. Okay, I'm Jay, and I'm the full stack engineer in the Furucombo Dingo. So,
Zoe, do you want to introduce yourself?
I'm Zoe, and I'm computer assistant.
Okay, and we have a lot more people in the room. Maybe we start from who wants to introduce yourself? It's not a must, but it's a nice to have. No? Okay. Then I'll start. Blah blah blah. Okay, I'll start. Go. I'll share my screen. So we have a short deck. Okay, so this is our first community call, and so yeah, we're learning from the experience. So it's 5 p.m. Taipei time and 10 a.m. London time and 2 a.m. in San Francisco time. So we will record everything down and then upload it to the YouTube for other people to watch it, you know, if they cannot join us. And for the community calls time, we plan to launch the community call like once a month. But if everyone it's you like it and then we feel like we need more community call, we might do it like twice a month. So it depends. Like everyone can tell us, you know, do you like it or not, and we can also adjust the time to cover more people because right now like the US people are sleeping, London people, Taipei people, Europeans, they are all wake up. So yeah, start. So the first part will be the latest update. Okay, so in the past week, in the past development cycle, we've launched several new features, and here are some features that we are pretty excited about. The first one is balancer swap. So right now you can use balancer swap function on Furucombo. How to use it? It's very simple. Just add a cube and then select, just like in the DeFi menu, the same experience in the DeFi menu, and then go to balancer, and then you will see swap function coming like just online today. So balancer swap, okay. And the next thing is Curve Metapool. So Curve they roll out the new somehow like feature, somehow like a new product or yeah new support more tokens. So it's a Metapool. In this Metapool, there are a lot of other stable coins which is not super popular, but still like a lot of people are using it. So Curve support this kind of stable coins like MUSD, HUSD, GUSD, TBDC, and then other tokens using the Metapool function. So you can swap stable coins in Metapool Furucombo right now. And the third one is import token and also gas saver. So import token is asked request a lot by the community. A lot of people are asking trade blah 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 token on Furucombo, Uniswap Cube. Why is your list different from Uniswap? And yeah, so we developed this feature. You can import token if it's on Uniswap, and then you know the counter address, you can pass it in. So it's very easy to use. Everyone should check it out. And also the gas saver. So the Ethereum network is not that busy for now, but in the past month or in the summertime, as everyone remember. The farming, the the farming stuff is really crazy. So the gas is really crazy, like 700 GWh. So gas saver, this function can reduce your gas usage by 50% if you have the gas tokens. How to use it? So if you go to Furucombo and then you build your trading strategy, Uniswap, flash loan, and then compound, blah 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 blah, and then you can add a gas saver cube, and then we will detect how many gas token in your wallet. You can use it. You can decide how much you want to use it, and then the maximum we will use. It's a Ethereum limitation, so you can use 50% of how much you are going to spend in this transaction, and then the rest we will send it back to your wallet, so you lose nothing. Yeah, it's a great feature, and it applies to all the DeFi that connects to the Furucombo. Okay, so this is what we have done in the past development cycle. There are a lot more, some bugs fixed, and then some user experience adjustment, but just majority are here. Okay, so everyone go check it out. Next, exciting coming months. So it's end of October right now, and for the November we have a lot of plans, a lot of marketing stuff, a lot of development, so features coming out. Here are something that we can disclosure at a time. So for the first, Discord. Okay, this is not a secret. So we are migrating our community from the Telegram to Discord. We announced this on Telegram, on Twitter. So if you haven't joined our Discord, strongly suggest you to join our Discord. Okay, we have more channels there, so the information are well organized. It's not like Telegram. Telegram is very convenient and it's very fast, but everything is stuck together. Discord is all organized. Looks good. Okay, and then we are going to close Telegram in the middle of or end of November. Yeah, so we will close the Telegram. If you want to stay in touch with Furucombo and heard the latest news, please join our Discord. Okay. Oh, by the way, on Discord we have a combo hacking channel. A combo hacking channel is a place that we are going to we will spend a lot of resources on it, teaching people how to build a combo, and then let people share what they have built by themselves. And also, if you have some cool idea, but it's not going to how to say that, perform or build on Furucombo, you can just type it like a user story, or just tell us your thoughts, and maybe we will go develop for you. So this is Discord. And next, combo hacking, yeah. So in the middle of November, or sometime in November, we're going to launch a marketing campaign related to combo hacking. Yeah, so I just explained it before. Combo hacking channel, people can share what you have built to the channel. If you have any question about how to build a combo, feel free to go there. We have a lot of experts in the channel to help you with everything. Last but not least, it's our wiki page. So starting from Furucombo is already like 6 months online for about 6 months. We have a lot of different tutorial. We have a lot of different informations, messages. It's on the Medium, in the Telegram, or spread everywhere. But right now we are going to collect every information, tutorial, or useful material into one wiki page. So you will have a it's very easy access to everything. Like what's the risk of using Furucombo, or do we charge any fee? The frequent asked questions, or maybe if you are a developer, how can you interact with us to connect to Furucombo or other resources you guys can use. So we're going to launch the Furucombo wiki page pretty soon. So yeah, this is the coming month. Oh, by the way, oh no, not by the way. Okay, we are going to talk about that in the last part. So this is our last part. The ask us anything about Furucombo or DeFi, not me. So if you have any question, it's time to tell us.
I think I really like our wiki page. It's more like DeFi wiki page because we introduce many kinds of DeFi. So if for new users to DeFi, maybe he or she can just visit our wiki page and to learn everything she has to know. Yes. But we integrate so many DeFis.
Yeah, I think the wiki, some of the mission of our wiki page is to that people that who don't really understand about DeFi or has any question about DeFi, and then they can find an answer or find a clue in our wiki page.
Mm.
Yeah, because Furucombo is famous for not just famous for no code flash load, but it's super easy, super friendly UI for everyone who want to step into DeFi. For example, you want to first time heard about DeFi and then you want to swap some tokens. You have some Ether from your friend. And what can you do? You can go to Uniswap. But besides Uniswap, what else you can do that? So we integrate with like Balancer, Kyber, like 1inch. So you have a lot of good choices on Furucombo. And also if you have you want to grow your Ether, you can also swap your Ether to DAI and then supply your DAI to maybe Aave or a compound. So we hope like everyone who's very interested in DeFi can visit Furucombo as their one-stop shop or for and also the wiki page will be the support or will be the support of onboarding those people to use Furucombo and know more about DeFi. Yeah. Besides swapping, besides lending protocol, what else you can do? What is a combo or what is yield farming? A lot of questions that we will answer on the wiki page. Yeah. But the wiki page, right now we spend a lot of resource writing about the wiki page, right? And it's all in English. So in order to reach more people and then to help more people understand about DeFi and understand how to get in using the safe way, using the very crappy protocols. So yeah, we also welcome if you are like other language speaker, French, Chinese, what else?
Spanish.
Spanish. Oh, Spanish. Yeah. Russian, Korean, Japanese. Help us to translate the what we have wrote in the wiki page. Yeah.
Also in our Discord, we have different channel of different language. So it's not just English. We also have Chinese community on our Discord. So if you feel shy to speak English, you have questions, you can feel free to join the language channel and then join community with other users in different languages. That will really help too.
Yeah, different language channel on Discord is really interesting because you can see other people around the world using their language to talk about the same not problem but same topics. Like especially the French channel is really active, right?
Yeah.
Including English and French, and some French people are moving to Taiwan. Yeah, so we heard a lot of different language channel. Also, there's a Russian say hi to us today, but I don't know how to reply. I'll definitely maybe use Google Translate.
I think Hello is a global language, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
But everyone who you pass Spanish or French in the channel, I'll just pass it to Google Translate, and then I'll think about what should I reply, and then I'll translate again and send it back. So if our language is not like super accurate, please forgive us.
Yeah, there's also a Latino community formed Latino Telegram group of Furucombo. So we also encourage them to move to our Discord channel. We also have a Spanish channel. So that will be more helpful for people who just first discover Furucombo coming and looking for a Spanish speaker. Then they can go straight to the Latino channel to meet everyone there.
Yeah, DeFi is for everyone. Furucombo is also for everyone. We welcome every races, every language, every gender people to join us. Okay, I'm going to show you, if you guys you don't have any question, I'll go into blah 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 again. So I want to show you something that is pretty cool, and if you guys have any feedback or feedback, feel free to share it with us. Okay, so okay, I'll just demonstrate like how you can use import token. So a lot of people are asking about import token function. So here is how to do it. So okay, start from the beginning. You add a cube. So right now the import token feature is only on Uniswap v2, nothing else. So Uniswap v2 swap token. And for example, I want to input some token that is pretty new and it's not added by Furucombo yet. So when I click it, I search it. For example, KP, found it already. But anyway, if it's not on Furucombo yet, you can go to CoinGecko, which is very friendly. They give you like the smart contract and every market information here. Super friendly, super useful. And then you can paste it here. Once you paste it, we will go back to Uniswap, ask for their token name, token icon, if they have, and then put it here. So you can start to trade this one. For example, to die. Okay, so you got it, and then set. So right now you can trade this one. And another feature is gas saver. Gas saver is in our utility queue. It's all the way down here. Saver. So gas saver is pretty simple. When you connect your wallet, we will detect how do you have any gas token. If you do, for example, we can use it and then click send. That will be done. Another cool feature, not cool feature, but we've already rolled out this like product for about a month or yeah, month, which is our explore page. So we collect a lot of feedback from the community. Says we don't know which one is profitable or which one is easy for people to start. They don't know how to build a combo, because if you are going to here, you build a combo, you have so many choices, too many choices, but not everyone is like expert of using building a strategy. So here are some very popular combos happening on the DeFi space supported by the Furucombo we listed here, and we give you the name. We give the combo a name. For example, this one you can close your maker's vault, so it's called close maker vault. And also, if this trading strategy has some APY, or it's about a liquidity pool, or has some farming rewards, we will display it here. For example, this one. If you add liquidity to this pretty popular Uniswap pool, and the APY is here, liquidity is here, means like how much money is on in this pool, and also what reward you can get, because it's for Uniswap, so you can get uni token. There are two different types of combo right now on the exporter page. we are still developing. We are trying to make it everyone can have the same experience, but we have limited resource. So right now we are just using, I would say, like three to be our like first combo to put it on the explore page with a better experience. What is a better experience? For example, if you move your APY from a lower APY token to a higher one, you can wallet. Okay, so in the past, you will have to set up different cubes and different tokens, different numbers, and maybe use Flash or blah, blah, blah. Very complicated. You will have to set everything. But right now, Furucombo will help you to, just super easy. Select which one you have. For example, I have CUSDD, and then I want to switch to CDI. And then after I input the amount, I click approve if you are the first time user. And after that, just click send. Very easy. But there are still some other trading strategy combos we haven't supported that looks like this. Still, we give you an explanation here and some other resource for you to study about this. And here we tell you what's going on here. So if you want to execute the combo, you just click go, and then we will bring you back to the combo page. And then we have already set up everything. So you just edit numbers just like old days and then send it out. So it's a very easy for like new buy or like other people to browse what are the opportunities on the DeFi right now, which is and there are a lot of different combos. Yeah, so definitely go check it out.
So you think that we should remove the APY section? Because recently a member in our community mentioned that it's not really helpful because we display the number for the like inception APY, but not like 3 week or 1 week or 1 day APY. So it's not really, it may be causing some misleading issues.
Oh, but I think APY is a really important part for people to, it's kind of like an incentive or like a lighthouse for people to see like which one I want to go. Because if you look at the names, I'll just, oh, okay, yeah, names. Yeah, I know, Y link, Y or Y A link. But with APY and liquidity, I think people can select which one they want to use. Yeah, personal opinion.
So you like APY section?
Yeah, because if you want to go to trading, you want to make sure that you can get as much as how to say that, as much as profit as possible, right? So if I can get 39% APY, why should I go to like just 1%? But it is based on the same risk. If the risk is super high, but I feel not comfortable, I just go back to 1%. So I think APY is for me personally, it's a important number to identify which one I should use. Also liquidity. Liquidity is also important because liquidity proves that other people are using it, not just you. Yeah, maybe it's 40% APY, but just $10 in a liquidity pool. That's maybe a scale. Or just beginning, right, with others to join. Everyone else in the trading in the room has any like feedback or thoughts about this? No? Okay. So we have two questions from the tutor about ask me anything, but it's somehow like a technical question. So the question one is don't know how to use the import token feature. Okay, so we just demonstrated. If you have any other question, feel free to reach out to us. The question two, the notification of the field cube is not enough to give users to fix the problem. Yeah, we know that. And are we doing anything to this?
Yes, we are trying, but it's quite complicated.
Yeah, it's a really complicated question and problem situation. And so well, the answer will be we are trying hard. to do
Yeah.
this. Yeah. Because every time if you have the error message, yeah, you have error message and then you cannot understand it, you can go to Discord or use our intercom button at the bottom right of the web page. Talk to us and we will help you. But we will definitely keep improving this kind of feature that enable people to troubleshooting by themselves, so they don't have to reach out to us, wait for us to do. Okay, maybe one last question.
Anyone? We have a very shy community.
Yeah, we have a very shy community. Yeah, that's okay. Just first time, so maybe people are still feeling how to interact with us. Yeah, I hope next time, people are crazy talking. Yeah, not bad, 12 people. I'm curious about like what people are doing during the so-called winter of DeFi. Do you do any trading or do you do any?
I do a lot study and sleeping because
Sleeping.
previously too busy in the DeFi world. So
Okay.
we didn't have much time to sleep. You know, every time wake up and see, oh, so many news and new DeFi. Oh my God, what I lose, what I lost. I lost the moments and the profits. So I barely sleep, you know. So for now, I sleep a lot.
That's a
It's
really
winter time for sleep.
Bears.
Yeah. And you?
Yeah, I do more sleeping right now. And then I feel good if because the market is not that crazy. So we have a lot of time like really reading something, thinking something, and then like building the most important feature. Think about what is the best for the users. Because during the farming time, maybe we have to busy adding tokens or like integrate with some farming protocol, which is not be existing after 2 weeks or a month. Yeah, so for now it's yeah, okay, everyone can take a break, and yeah, I do a little bit trading,
Mhm.
but I just buy tokens that I feel like I feel I'll say that I see their future.
Oh, okay. You do
And,
invest.
Yeah, just a little bit, a couple bucks or a couple thousands US dollar per token.
Can you tell us which tokens you invest?
Nah, this is not financial advice. What is that? Financial advice?
Yeah.
Advice?
No.
I thought Link is pretty good, but Link is like everyone knows Link. Buy
Oh, I know.
buy
Oh,
buy
okay.
more Link
Okay.
because you know a lot of people are manipulating the market, right? Because of the price issue.
Yeah.
So if they can have a standalone price oracle, I think that's a pretty important part for this time period. At least maybe like within 1 year to 2 years. Yeah,
Mm.
but Uniswaps, they have a like a history price function, right?
Yeah.
I think that's really helpful as well. Yeah, it's not only Link, not only Chainlink, but also you have multiple sources that will be very helpful. And there's of course Ren project is I personally I like them. How to bring BTC to Ethereum and then Aave, of course they just migrate to the governance contract or DAO contract. And there is another one, I forgot their name. It's something BARN.
Bond?
Yeah, Bond.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm not like 100% figure out what they're going to do in the future, but I just feel like, oh, okay, this is interesting and something different from us. So maybe we should invest in this.
It's about risk management.
Yeah. But I think a lot of people are using different tags to tag themselves, to marketing themselves. For example, some people see pull together. the lottery system as a risk management tool.
Okay.
It's out of my imagination, but I feel interesting. Traditional, we will think that maybe Nexus Mutual is traditional insurance. Yeah, but pull together insurance. Okay, interesting. What about you, Xing? Do you have any? What do you do during the winter?
I am the very low risk investor, gambler. If you want to say in DeFi, everyone is kind of a gambler or danger. So I just keeping up with most protocol that we integrated on Furucombo. That is already a lot to keep up with. So for the new coming up DeFi, I find it very hard to be the first person to find out. Not even just first person or the early ones to already be in it. So for example, maybe a project that come out yesterday and you thought you are already early, and then when you went to check the project, there are already hundreds of millions locked on it, and you're late, but you're only 1 day late after the project emerged. So I think it's pretty high risk. You don't even have time to evaluate whether this project is legit or not. So extremely high risk, no time to put money in it. So I'm more on the side of keeping it to major project. So this is also a good thing that if you use Furucombo, all the DeFi that we selected have been going through very thorough inspection. Not that we guarantee all the protocol that we integrated on Furucombo don't have any problem, but they are most the major prominent DeFi that you can trust. So I just follow whatever we integrated, and that will be my major strategy as for now. It's already a lot. We have around 10 protocols that just think if you keep up one DeFi 1 day, you don't have a week to keep up all protocols, right?
Yeah, so you are more like a gatekeeper for the whole DeFi community.
Yeah, sort of like that.
That's good. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, the whole Furucombo team is still like busy building a lot of new features and then exploring a lot of different kind of chances. So yeah, winter is good. We have more time to do things, sleep, buy, and then
Research.
research.
Do
Yeah.
your own research is very important. You
Yeah.
definitely need to know what you are putting your money into. So make sure to research before you do anything. That's a key principle.
Quote from the gatekeeper. Okay, so I think it's already around like 40 minutes. Today's community call should, if no one has a question, we will end up here. And I personally, okay, just in time. Alvin Hong, will Furucombo release more diversified products like DeFi index, launched by DeFi balls and set, or integrate other DeFi project recently? Thanks. So 2 different questions. Are we going to enter other DeFi protocols? Yes, sort of. Yes, we will integrate one another. Yeah, we'll integrate some.
Yeah, we are working on it.
Yeah, we are working on it.
actually.
Just
It's a
contemplating.
secret yet.
Yeah, yeah. Still thinking, can we announce it one? But yeah, I still keep on.
For set protocol, I think there might be a way that we can integrate it to Furucombo simply by swapping, because SET protocol basically it bundles the strategy into a token. So if you saying you are investing in ETH moving average 20 days, and you're actually buying the token, but the underlying strategy that they rebalance under the SET protocol, you don't actually need to interact with the protocol. You basically just buy the token. And maybe there's a way that we can just, if there's a pool that we can buy the set, different sets, because they have robot set, they also have social set. And maybe there's a way that if there's a pool, then we can just support the token on Furucombo. Just an idea.
Just like we already listed the DPI token, right? So you
Yeah.
can buy it. It means that it equals to you invest in the portfolio.
Exactly.
Okay. Any other questions?
And speaking of the diversified product, I think that's our main. It's the main. It's kind of critical for our roadmap. So we are working really hard to like broaden our capabilities. So we are looking for more things like borrow, like something exciting, but rather than just integrate more swapping or lending or this kind of something we already have. So we are looking to broaden the possibilities. So yeah, we are already doing it, and we are welcome if you have any other like opinions or suggestions. Like yesterday, I think a community member suggesting that we can consider to integrate like open like hedging, this kind of insurance protocol. We haven't done it yet, so we are starting to research on it.
We also have a channel on our Discord. It's called Feedback Channel. So any preferred token or project protocol or feature function that you want us to do, just send us a message in that channel and we will look through it.
Okay. I think that will be pretty, it's a very exciting community call today. Thanks everyone. And then see you next time, maybe next month, end of November. Feel free to reach out to us on the Discord or Telegram. Yeah. Next time we want to hear some feedback from you guys about governance. Governance, every kinds of project. Do you own any governance token? Did you vote before? Like, did you have any proposal before? Yeah, any kinds of things about governance. Yeah, I think set up the topic will be easier for people to bring up their ideas. Communicate with us. Okay, so today's call will be end up here. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy your weekend. One more day.
And happy Halloween
Yeah, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Yay.
in the Bitcoin Pizza Day.
Yeah, of course, Bitcoin anniversary. Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye guys.